Guided Chakra Meditation. Welcome to a special guided energy meditation for balancing your chakras and clearing emotional blockages. The word chakra is Sanskrit for wheel and represents the 7 main energy centers located within the body. Each of these energy centers corresponds directly to specific glands and organs, as well as many levels of consciousness, your spiritual connection, emotions, colors, sounds, body functions, and much, much more. When the chakras are clear and functioning properly, we experience good health and well-being. When blocked or out of balance, we experience a life that is out of balance as well. Eventually, this can result in illness and disease. Think of the energy system in your body like a stream or river. If a stream or river gets blocked and the water doesn't move, the water becomes stagnant and a breeding ground for disease. The exact same thing is true inside your body. Chakra 1, called the root chakra, is located at the base of your spine, and the rest of the chakras are aligned in the center of your body, with the final chakra, the chakra number 7, or the crown chakra, being at the very top of your head. To fully understand the chakra system, we need to understand that everything in the universe is made of energy. We only need to look at our own cells, or even the chair you are sitting on under an electron microscope, to see that what appears to be solid and motionless is really alive with the vibration and movement of energy. Even colors and sounds are made up of energy, each color and each sound having its own frequency and rate of vibration. Modern science has confirmed this, but the ancients knew this long ago. In fact, they were able to determine the specific color and sounds of each chakra and their corresponding emotions, glands, and body parts. The purpose of this meditation is to not only release and let go of anything that is blocking the energy that would normally be traveling freely within your body, but also to educate you and to create an awareness of this subtle energy that is always inside and outside of you. So let's begin. Get into your meditation posture, either sitting up straight in a chair or sitting on the floor in a lotus or half lotus position. If sitting is uncomfortable for you, you can do this meditation laying down flat without pillows so as to keep your spine straight. I do recommend sitting if at all possible. We will begin in a moment by taking a few deep cleansing breaths. A cleansing breath means that you inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. So let's begin by taking a deep breath all the way down into your belly. Hold the breath for a few moments and allow all of the tension in your body to gather into that breath. As you exhale through your mouth, let it all go. The breath, the tension, let it all go. Feel your body releasing and letting go. Take another deep breath in all the way down into your belly, holding that breath. And this time as you exhale, let go of any fear, uncertainty, or doubt. Take a third and final deep breath in, filling every cell of your body with peace. Hold that breath. And then let go of any remaining unwanted thoughts or emotions. Just let it all go. Release and let go. Now just allow your breath to return to its normal and natural rhythm as you gently breathe through your nose.